Okay, so this is how to improve a language analysis piece part 5. So what we're focusing on here is topic sentences, and by that I mean topic sentences both in the introduction and at the beginning of each of the body paragraphs. So what I find useful is once you've annotated the article and you've sort of understood what it's all about, is that you go in and you actually focus on, in your topic sentence, explaining the place that it occurred, the argument, and the language. So just techniques, nothing fancier than that. So I'm vaguely calling this the PAL at the moment acronym: place, argument, and language. There may be even space for audience groups if you can fit it in, but the way that we assess this is sort of focused often at the topic sentence level in these kind of details. So there's a whole bunch of stuff that you want to put in there. I'll give you an example. So the P would be something like throughout the piece, if it's a bit more scattered, or it could be in the first argument, if it's very clearly first, second, third, which isn't always done, but if it is, it's very convenient. Or it could be something like in the first third of the piece, or on the first page, or on the 4th to 5th paragraph, somewhere. Tell us where it is so we know as a reader and as the writer. It's very easy for us to get lost. So you're saying here it is here, just by the way. The argument is, you explain the argument, of course, and then language, you would basically say here are the techniques that are used to support that thing. If you really want to show off, you might be able to sneak in audience groups as well, but you can see how these sentences become really sort of unwieldy, over the top, overburdened with too much information. But I think PAL is a really good start, and it's better than just saying here are the arguments. So you say, here's where it occurred, here's what the argument is, here's what the devices are. PAL. Try and remember that for your intro and your body paragraph.